A severe storm with strong rain and winds hit Xiamen in Fujian Province, China. The Xiamen Meteorological Observatory has issued an orange warning signal for thunderstorms and strong winds, and a yellow warning signal for heavy rain. According to local meteorologists, the maximum wind speed was about 150 kilometers per hour. Major devastation by the strong wind could be seen in many streets. According to local authorities, a total of nearly 300 trees fell down in the string winds. Mostly are the trees in parks, and some are roadside trees. Some roads were affected by fallen trees, buildings and stores got damaged, and the windows of some buildings were broken by the strong winds. Besides, heavy rain flooded many roads in Xiamen City. Local residents are reminded not to go out unless necessary and pay attention to personal safety.